The significance of listening to street children, a qualitative case study. Globally, street children are seldom viewed positively, and they habitually encounter prejudice and discrimination daily. They are constantly disregarded, and very few people listen to them. It is instructive to note that they are normal human beings and have a right to express themselves. Hence, this research was conducted among 17 street children at Rose Institution, a drop-in center in Trinidad and Tobago. The principal objective of this qualitative case study provide these children with an opportunity to express their views and opinions. Although they live in Rose Institution, they continue to frequent the streets. Published research indicates that there exists a lack of information about their lives and experiences, and this research fills that gap. Semi-structured interviews and open-ended questionnaires were employed, and data were triangulated. Data revealed that listening is necessary to try to understand the lives, goals and aspirations of these children. Listening can also diminish the barrier between these children and mainstream society. Although it is difficult and demanding, it is strongly suggested that professionals, policy makers and indeed all citizens listen carefully to the voices of these children to bring about some meaningful change. Introduction. This study explores the lives and experiences of 17 street children living at the Rose Institution, a drop-in center in Trinidad and Tobago. While street children in the country are a relatively new issue, their presence is becoming a serious concern. Despite their struggles, these children often go unnoticed, and their voices are rarely considered in decisions that affect their lives. The primary goal of this research is to give these children a platform to express their views about their experiences on the streets. Over a 6-month period, the children attended school through Google Classroom and participated in daily activities at the institution. They shared their thoughts openly about their difficult lives, expressing desires for better opportunities, less violence, and more support from the government. Their stories reveal a deep awareness of their situation and highlight the need for policies that take their voices and experiences into account. By listening to the children, the study aims to influence policymakers and guide future programs that address the growing issue of street children. The findings emphasize the importance of understanding their struggles and incorporating their perspectives into solutions that can improve their lives. Conclusion. This study emphasizes the importance of listening to street children to better understand their needs, feelings, and goals. By using informal interviews and questionnaires, the researcher was able to capture their perspectives in a way that is both genuine and meaningful. The research found that listening to these children is essential for creating programs that truly address their challenges and improve their lives. Listening not only helps to understand their social, moral, and educational issues, but it also provides valuable insights that can guide policymakers and organizations in designing effective solutions. The study highlights that children's voices should be central when developing programs to support them, especially in areas like social skills, literacy, coping strategies, and overall well-being. It calls for professionals and citizens alike to listen carefully and take action to improve the lives of these vulnerable children. This important article is authored by the following scientists: